headset bearings I'm using are a brand you may not have heard of. They are Jessica 1/1/8 bearings to fit a 44mm top and a 56mm bottom opening. They are sealed bearings, and from a visual inspection they look and feel good. I thought I would give these bearings a try, as I have built a bike using a Jessica branded frame, and the frame has stood up well. You can see here how the headset bearings fit together, and the first job is to press the top and bottom cups in. The preferred grease for me is SILKOLENE Pro RG2 synthetic racing grease. It is a multifunctional high-performance grease with heat-resistant and waterproof properties. I put a dab of grease on the bike and then a small amount around the top cup. Try to press the cups in as flush as possible, as they don't always go in correctly. I'm using a press, but there are some cheaper alternatives you can use, like the threaded rod type. I had to reposition the wood a few times as the cup was going in at an angle, and I was also being careful not to over-compress. Once the cup is fully seated, turn around and do the other side. The beveled edge of the bearing goes into the cup. And there you go. As soon as I get any new part, I open it immediately and give it a visual inspection. I test fit the wheel to see if it fits correctly and also to see if it spins true. Luckily, everything's okay. The seat post diameter is 31.6mm and you will need a seat clamp of 34.9mm. The seat post won't go down far enough, as it is being stopped by two wells that have gone through and caused two small lumps. I also test fitted the motor, and this has some problems of its own. It is an extremely tight fit, which it should be, but it is catching here, so it looks like I will have to get the file out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.